Okay, so tonight I'm going to make chili bok choy with my pork chop. And because that's all I'm going to have, I'm going to use 2 of these bunches of bok choy because they're starting to wilt, so I need to use them up. So I'm going to grab 2 of these and wash them and dice them. Okay, so in your bunch of bok choy, there was 3 separate bunches in the 1 pack of bok choy. So I used 1.5 of those in the full bunch. Now the next thing I'm going to use, if you don't have chicken salt, like I don't, I'm going to use 1.5 cubes of chicken stock. And then we've got this little bad boy here. And you can get that from your Asian grocer. And on the back, it says chili paste. So it's kind of like a chili oil, chili paste. Salt, pepper, oil. I've got 2 cloves of garlic because I am doubling what I normally use with the bok choy. And I'm just going to slice up the bok choy into chunks. Okay, so we'll start with maybe a tablespoon of olive oil. And then we will put in our 1 to 2 cloves of garlic and fry it until it starts to get golden. And then we're going to add our 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of the chili paste. And we're just going to heat that up. And once that's heating, we're going to add our bok choy. Now we're going to add our 1.5 cubes of chicken stock. And we're just going to stir that around until the white soften. It definitely reduces a lot. That's my 2 little bunches that I had in the first big bunch of bok choy. And that's it, that's done. If you want it softer, you can let it cook a little bit longer, but that's basically ready to go and it will still have a bit of a crunch. Okay, so here's my chili bok choy. Now, if you don't want to have this with a massive pork chop like I'm about to have, it has so much flavor in it, you can just have it with boiled rice. Just gonna make some room on my plate. And there's my dinner. Pork chop with chili bok choy. Mix of Asian and Australian. Thanks guys, I hope you liked the video.